There seem to be a lot of welding students or welding apprentices that are either going to a welding school or start new on a job site, and they are absolutely scared to death of the machines. Now, yes, there should be respect for machines because if you do something wrong or you do something stupid, it can seriously hurt you or kill you. And it happens. But a lot of the students are just a little bit too afraid of the machines to where they won't even use them, or the punks just will not touch machines. So one thing I've recommended for some of my students and punks, that if their family or friends have some power tools at home that they can show them how to use safely after reading manuals, because you're supposed to do that, is to use power tools like saws. Like what I'm doing here, I'm just cutting up wood. I had stuff to cut up, and it just reminded me that a lot of the punks would probably benefit from just using a table saw and from using chop saws, joiners, planers, just stuff that makes a lot of noise, vibrates a lot. It can be used very safely, but it gets them used to machines. So if you're starting out, I'd highly recommend that. So for more tips and tricks, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see y'all in the future videos.